this is Roxbomb 2002, and today I've got a Moshling Monster Surprise Egg. I think it's series, I don't know what series it is, series 1 or 2 I think. Includes 2 super bright Moshlings and a collector's card, so let's see what we got. Let's try and open it. These are really hard to open. The Fizz and Fine Stars, I've got so much packaging on it, it's really annoying. Okay, so we've got a yellow egg. See, oh, you get 3 figures in it. And this. Oh. Ooh, these good ones. So we've got Red Fabio, I think, yeah. Red Roxy, which I had in my previous video with the 2 eggs I had. And I've got another Orange Whirly. So they're good ones to swap. I haven't got this one, but I have got these ones. So good to swap for, but a bit disappointed because I've got them. Thank you for watching. Roxbomb 2002. Bye.